What I've got here is the 5-inch X-Lite carbon fiber frame from iFlight. They make some really great stuff. I've used a few of their frames before and I really like them. A few of the good things about their frames is they're really strong. They use really thick carbon fiber, so they're pretty durable. And you can get some of them on sites like Amazon and they'll show up really quickly. But one of the bad things is that if you ever break an arm on one of these frames, you might have to order it directly from their website. And they're based in China, so it can take a while to get there. But other than that, these frames, they're pretty light, they're pretty durable, and they're pretty good for ultralight builds. The way that it goes together is a little bit tricky. I did it wrong the first time, so I'm going to show you how to put this together the right way. I'm going to fast forward through this, but you can slow the speed down if you want to take a closer look. So this is the top plate, this is the bottom plate, and this is the middle plate. So basically the idea is this is the front where the camera goes, this is the back. Your VTX pigtail is going to come out and curve around down underneath, and your antenna is going to stick straight up from the side. So start with the bottom piece. The countersunk side is going to go on the bottom. These center holes are for your stack. So I'm going to start with the arms. This is the middle plate. This hole here is intended to mount an antenna, so the idea is to have it to the side. So this is where you decide how big your stack is going to be. The center holes are for 20 by 20 mounting platforms, and the outside holes are for 30 by 30. Since I'm using 20 by 20, I'm going to use the center holes. You got to use these countersunk screws, and then on the other side you're going to put the standoffs. But in between the standoffs, first you've got to put one of these little plastic nuts, otherwise the standoffs just don't fit right on these screws. So here's what the finished product looks like. That's how you put together the iFlight X-Lite frame. Now that you know how it goes together, you might want to put some thread lock on all the screws in here just to keep it together a little bit better. Stay tuned for a build coming up with this frame. I have a 20mm stack that I just did a review on. It's going in here. So make sure you subscribe and check out my builds, reviews, and flight footage. As always, thanks for watching.